Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Time Wraith in DC Universe Online. This iconic companion offers both visual appeal and practical combat assistance, making it a highly sought-after item for many players. We'll cover the primary methods of acquisition, ensuring you know exactly where to focus your efforts to add this formidable ally to your roster. Let's dive into the details. There are a few key ways to obtain your very own Time Wraith. The most consistent method involves visiting the Dr. Fate vendor, usually located in the House of Legends or your faction's main hub. You'll need to accumulate a certain amount of in-game currency, often Fate tokens or source marks, to make the purchase. Keep an eye out for special seasonal events too, as they occasionally provide alternative paths to acquiring this unique companion. Let's talk about the cost. The Time Wraith usually requires approximately 150 source marks. These marks are a common currency earned by completing various daily and weekly missions throughout the game. Engaging in end-game content, such as raids and alerts, is often the most efficient way to accumulate source marks quickly. Plan your gameplay to maximize your mark earnings for a swift acquisition. To expedite your Time Wraith acquisition, prioritize completing all your daily and weekly missions. These provide a consistent stream of source marks. Joining an active league can also significantly boost your progress, as group content often yields more marks. Additionally, always check the in-game marketplace. Sometimes, the Time Wraith or bundles containing it appear for direct purchase, offering a quicker path if you prefer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.